The story of Leeds Castle begins in the 12th century, when a Norman baron built the first stone stronghold on these islands in the River Len. In the centuries that followed, it evolved from fortress to palace, and in 1278, it became a royal residence under King Edward I. From then on, it was a favorite retreat of England's medieval queens, 6 of whom made Leeds Castle their home. Its nickname, the Ladies' Castle, has stuck ever since. During the Tudor period, Leeds Castle played host to some of the most powerful figures in English history. In 1520, Henry VIII stayed here with Catherine of Aragon before setting off for the famous diplomatic summit known as the Field of the Cloth of Gold. The castle was remodeled for their visit, balancing medieval defense with the luxury fit for a king. After the Tudors, Leeds Castle passed through generations of private owners, adapting with the times, yet always retaining its unique charm. During the English Civil War, it served as a garrison and prison. And centuries later, during World War II, it was used as a hospital for wounded airmen. Its grand halls transformed into spaces for healing and recovery. In the 20th century, Leeds Castle was brought into a new golden age by Lady Olive Bailey, a wealthy Anglo-American heiress with a deep love for English heritage. She purchased the castle in 1926 and spent decades restoring and transforming it into a home of grace, comfort, and timeless beauty. The bedrooms she designed were full of character, combining French elegance with historic charm. Even the bathrooms reflected her attention to detail, serene, refined, and perfectly styled for a modern aristocrat. And in the dining room, she hosted world leaders, artists, and royalty, her guest lists as impressive as the setting itself. Lady Bailey left more than just beautifully restored rooms. She created a legacy. Before her death in 1974, she established a charitable trust to ensure the castle would be preserved and enjoyed by the public. Today, visitors from around the world come to experience its history, its architecture, and its breathtaking scenery. From grand rooms to quiet gardens, Leeds Castle remains as alive and welcoming as ever. Leeds Castle has stood through conquest, ceremony, conflict, and celebration. It's more than a building. It's a living timeline and a reminder of the stories that shaped Britain. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the skies. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for more aerial history right here on Drone Therapy.